Okay, on the previous screen, on the last slide I should say, we talked about a frequency. But if you notice what was on the screen was these two cursors, here and here. They are the components that can tell me the exact time or the frequency of this particular component. So cursors are very important. They can give me either voltage or time. Alright. Here's another one. Here's another cursor. This is 84 milliseconds, 84.6 milliseconds. Look at my cursors here and here. So that's giving me the time from one event, from this one event here all the way to over here. Right at the screen. That's one cycle. The cursor I use to measure both time and voltage of any of the four traces individually or at the same time. So the cursor gives me voltage or time. Okay, so here it's giving me the time between this point, this event here, and the next event. This is one cycle. Okay? So it's very important to know how to use the cursors also. Sometimes you just can't read this to see what it is. You have to use the cursors. Some schools have 2 cursors, some have 4. Alright, let's go to the next one.